that Rima grooming you? Rima, you guys love each other. Oh, you got a new little brother. He's very sweet. Oh, no, ready to fight. Okay. All right. Okay. What are you guys doing? This is called love, right? Okay. Man style.